Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the language of your Roblox mobile app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To start, open up the Roblox app and tap on the three dots button in the bottom right corner of the home page. Scroll down the menu and tap on Settings. In Settings, tap on Account Info. Scroll down to Language and tap on your current language to edit it. Choose your desired language from the list of languages and then tap Done. The language will change immediately. However, you still have to tap Save underneath the language section for the language to take effect. Tap OK on the pop-up. Now, when you go back to the app, the language will be changed to whatever language you chose. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Roblox tips and tricks.